There's some dove out there in the center. Just gonna try and do something with it. But this is my shot. Get the fuck off. This is my shotgun. He's still sitting out there. Almost walked up on her. She doesn't seem too spooked. But take this bitch on safety and get ready. It's gonna be. Hopefully I can see that. I'll go up a little bit with it. She's still sitting there. Try and spook her up. Shoot her out the air. But no, I just knock her off the ground. It's a dead dove, son. Pray it's a dove. Pray. I'm praying. Whew, it's a dove. Let's go. Took a dirt nap, son. Big one. That's 3. I need 1 more. And then I got like, I don't know. I'm gonna have 2. I'm gonna call it mini turkeys. Let me just pluck it and gut it. I'm gonna eat a whole. Is there another rabbit? You don't want to smoke with this sunshine. Telling you, bub. But yeah, man, got a dove. Finna skin her up and eat her. That's the video, guys.